lined inlet cuts. Here's your Valentine's gift. We just made a cat. Here's our mark. Here's our mark. This is dragon's blood. Isn't that cool? That is the pitch of a very, very specific tree. You see this dark line? That's the winter wood. That's how much the tree grew in the wintertime. We stopped, the whole company, 68 of us, and you put your hand on the pack of the guy ahead of you, just stand there. And the only air you had to breathe was from the lip of your helmet, just a little bit of air. It was just poured. Happy, happy, happy. Pretty funny.